Let's look at some of the options that Fast supplies to help you out in the wintertime to prevent your fuel from gelling. One of their options are these probes. They mount right into the Fast body, and they're all thermostatically controlled, so they turn on automatically as soon as there's some gelling with the fuel. And once everything's up to temp, they turn off automatically. They also have a disc option that goes in line with a fuel filter, and it works the same way. These two products can be used together or individually, depending on what you're looking for. There's a lot of ways to wire them in. You can put them into many power sources, including toggle switches, which give you maximum control of their operation. A lot of guys that we see come around get these after they've had some gelling issues. So if you operate your truck in colder climates, it's definitely worthwhile getting into before we hit the winter season.